Hey everyone, welcome back. We're talking about finding the best walking shoes for you. So, whether you're hitting the trails or just navigating your daily routine, stay tuned for some valuable insights. Make sure to watch till the end as we're about to unveil some incredible walking shoe options. Finding the best walking shoe for you is essential for maximizing comfort without compromising durability or stability. Whether you're into brisk walks or a leisurely stroll, you need high-performance walking shoes to protect your feet and elevate your workout. What sets the best walking shoes apart? Look for cushioning technology, increased outsole durability, and breathable uppers. It's all about lightweight comfort, ideally endorsed by Podiatry New Zealand or recommended by your healthcare professional. Now, a common question: do you need special shoes for walking? The answer is yes. The heel-to-toe movement in walking differs from running, and you'll want shoes designed to support the biomechanics of walking. But it's not just about fitness. If you spend long hours on your feet at work, walking shoes are your go-to. They provide the support needed for healthcare, hospitality, or retail professionals. Comfort and durability are key for those busy days. Now, the big question: can you use running shoes for walking? While running shoes may work for short distances, walking shoes are designed for the longer gait cycle of walking. ASICS walking shoes, for instance, cater specifically to the unique needs of walkers. Okay now, ladies, if you're looking for the best walking shoes, ASICS has you covered, featuring rear foot and forefoot GL-TM technology. The GT2000SX and Walkride FF are podiatrist recommended, with an improved fit, breathable upper, and added stability. The Walkride FF, designed for fitness walkers, guide sole technology and a curved sole for a smooth gait. Meanwhile, the GT2000SX offers a wide fit option, combining cushioning and torsional support for lasting comfort. Gentlemen, don't worry. We haven't forgotten you. ASICS men's walking shoes are engineered for superior comfort, durability, and stability. Podiatrist recommended, they use multi-density cushioning for lightweight impact absorption. The Walkride FF for men, with guide sole technology, and the GT2000SX, designed for stability, provide the comfort and durability you need. Duomax technology and ASICS gel technology make them suitable for longer walks, and even for use with orthotics. And there you have it, folks! The scoop on finding the perfect walking shoes. Remember, investing in the right pair can make all the difference in your comfort and performance. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy walking!